Alright guys, welcome back to another buggy day at the cabin. That's why I'm wearing this thing. I'm trying to keep the bugs off me a little bit. Anyway, today we're going to put the backhoe to work a little bit more. I've got a road that goes kind of out behind the cabin and I want to widen it up a little bit. I keep some of my tractor implements back there. Anyway, if you've been watching my other videos, you know that this isn't my backhoe. This actually belongs to a buddy of mine, and he's gone to Alaska, and while he's in Alaska, I'm using the backhoe. He left it here for me, so I appreciate that. Anyways, let's get this thing to work. Better than a shovel, trust me. Who would not want a backhoe? Right? Seriously? Who would not want a backhoe? Well, another job done. I got this road widened out back to my tractor implements. Cleared a bunch of stumps. Oh, I'm gonna miss that backhoe. Yeah, this is a lot nicer. Yeah. Yeah, good deal. And the brush pile, I've saved the brush pile because in another video, I'm gonna put that chipper to work. That thing is a beast. Definitely my favorite implement. And yeah, I wouldn't, I've had that 10 years now. I can't imagine not having a chipper out here. Anyways, end the video here. Not sure if you can see the amount of flies in the air, but man, they're thick. Anyways, it's hard to talk. So thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it. If you're new, subscribe. Please like and leave me some comments below. That's it. I'm getting out of the flies. Thanks, guys. See you next time here at the cabin.